Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me how to do something with a lightning bolt and put a black border around it and have some faces. And just in case you don't know, if you go under basic shapes, there's actually a lightning bolt in the basic shapes where you can make a lightning bolt. So that's how I created this one. There's two ways to do this. Left click, right click, and you'll get a hairline. Go up to Effects, Contour. We're going to contour out to the outside twice with 1/4 inch. Break contour apart. Now let's see how big our item is. It's 7 inches. We're going to make our nudge factor 8 inches. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill in the interior and move it over. And then we're going to fill in the outline and put it over. And the reason I did that is in case you forget to erase these hairlines, they will not be affected by that. So just kind of prove that it is got a white background and it's not. I'm going to put that to the back of the page so the border or the inner one is transparent. The other way to do it, let's back up here a little bit. Same thing, but now this time let's just contour one time to the outside. Break contour apart. You could actually take the inside and turn it black, but then I would immediately right click it to get rid of that hairline. Then click on that line, go down to your pen tool and change that to a thicker line. And then you can play with that and get it as thick as you want and have the exact, almost the exact same thing. Let's do the same thing with the rectangle tool. Fill it in with yellow, and I've got a hotkey which is Q for back of the page, but yours will be under order. Let's just put that back. Go to arrange, order, put the back of the page, which is Control N, but I made a hotkey of just a Q because I do this on almost every drawing. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.